The mysterious visitor 3I Atlas, which arrived in our solar system after a 7-billion-year journey, is currently at the center of the hottest debate in the scientific world. And this debate is no longer just a matter of scientific curiosity. The world's two most renowned physicists are now on completely opposite sides regarding the true nature of this object. In an interview aired on News Nation on November 8, 2025, theoretical physicist Dr. Michio Kaku made explosive statements. He responded harshly to Harvard astrophysicist Dr. Avi Loeb's theory that this could be alien technology. It's junk. But the story is just beginning. Dr. Avi Loeb insists that the Interstellar 3I Atlas is not an ordinary comet. The respected Harvard professor pointed out 7 separate jet structures emanating from the object in his statements made in early November. According to him, these jets are not the kind expected from a natural comet. More strikingly, Loeb stated that these jets could carry approximately 5 billion tons of mass and, depending on their speed, could serve as propulsion. 3 Atlas may not be a comet. We may be looking at alien technology performing a deliberate maneuver around the sun, said Loeb, and this is not just speculation. The man is serious. However, on the evening of November 8th, Dr. Michio Kaku took the stage and demolished Loeb's theories. This is a very old object, perhaps 7 billion years old, said Kaku. In 7 billion years, there's plenty of time to collect debris. That's why, for example, the comet's nickel content is off the charts. Kaku's explanation is simple but powerful. 3I Atlas is an ancient garbage collector that has traveled through intergalactic space for billions of years, passing through different cosmic environments and collecting material along the way. It's completely different from the 3 to 4 billion-year-old comets in our solar system. So, what are the latest developments that have sparked such a heated debate? On the morning of November 8, 2025, world-renowned astrophotographers Michael Jäger, Gerald Rhemann, and Enrico Prosperi captured an incredible image. They detected a complex tail structure and multiple jet systems from 3I Atlas. The object was observed that morning at a 29-degree angle from the sun, 710 degrees above the eastern horizon. They could see these complex structures even under moonlight. But here's the real shocker. After its closest approach to the sun on October 29, 2025, 3I Atlas's classic tail disappeared. This is extremely rare for a natural comet. Loeb argues that this could be proof the object is not a natural comet. A comet approaching the sun does not lose its tail. On the contrary, it becomes brighter, he says. However, Dr. Kaku thinks differently. The object is rapidly losing mass and may have broken into smaller pieces after passing the sun, he says. According to him, the loss of the tail could be explained by a fragment breaking off, which may have caused the apparent artificial changes in its orbit and speed. On November 10, 2025, the situation escalated. Dr. Michio Kaku openly accused NASA. This is not something that should be classified. He argued that the high-resolution images taken by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter on October 2, 2025 should be released for independent review. Kaku's criticism was harsh and clear. Unnecessary secrecy only fuels conspiracy theories. NASA's delay in sharing data has caused great unease in the scientific community. Researchers are currently forced to rely solely on speculation. Avi Loeb also joins this call. This data could help us determine whether the object is a natural comet or something engineered, he says. However, due to the government shutdown, data sharing from NASA missions has been blocked since October 1st. Here's a detail that deepens the debate. 3I Atlas is probably 7 to 11 billion years old. For comparison, our solar system is only 4.6 billion years old. This object may have formed in another star system billions of years before our solar system was born. Dr. Kaku sees this age as an advantage. This is a different object because it is much older than anything we see locally. It has absorbed all kinds of material over 7 billion years, which explains its strange composition. Research published in August 2025 revealed that 3I Atlas has a much higher CO2-H2O mixture ratio than known comets. This indicates that the object was born in a cold, chemically different environment, and that nickel content, it has high levels of nickel and iron, which are not typically found in comets in our solar system. According to Kaku, this is the result of absorbing different gases and cosmic dust over billions of years of travel. According to Loeb, this is another sign the object could be artificial. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope observed 3I Atlas with its near-infrared spectrograph on August 6, 2025. The data is shocking. The object has an unusually high carbon dioxide content compared to most known solar system comets. Water and carbon monoxide were also detected. Observations by the Hubble Space Telescope on August 20, 2025, indicate that the core's diameter ranges from 440 meters to 5.6 kilometers, an object the size of Manhattan. Spherix's observations between August 7 and 15 also revealed similar findings. Carbon dioxide, water, carbon monoxide, carbonyl sulfide, and water ice are being released from the object as it approaches the Sun. And now for the most exciting part, 3I Atlas will reach its closest position to Earth on December 19, 2025 at a distance of approximately 270 million kilometers. In the words of Dr. Avi Loeb, on December 19, 3I Atlas will be closest to Earth, hopefully. It won't bring any unwanted gifts for the holidays. According to NASA, the object poses no threat to Earth, but it still presents a historic observation opportunity. It will be easily visible from Earth with telescopes. Starting November 11th, it can be seen in the morning sky before sunrise on the eastern horizon. Its brightness is currently around magnitude 9.811. A telescope with a minimum diameter of 20 cm is required, but it is possible to see it. The European Space Agency's Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer (JUICE) spacecraft will also observe 3I Atlas with various instruments between November 2 and 25. However, due to the spacecraft's data transmission speed to Earth, the data will only be received in February. Neil deGrasse Tyson approached the subject cautiously. It could be aliens, but probably not. A balanced approach. But it doesn't dampen the excitement. Dr. Kaku is clear. You can speculate, but you have to quantify it. You have to say what the confidence level is. Is it 100% or 1%? Otherwise, you'll panic the public, and the public wants to know the truth. According to Loeb, the probability is not zero. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, says Kaku, who even agrees with this. However, unlike Loeb, he gives it a chance. A non-zero but very small probability. Her atlas is currently moving through the Virgo constellation. On November 18, 19, it will pass 1.5 degrees south of the 2.7 magnitude star Gamma Virginis. On November 22nd, it will make a close pass near the 13th magnitude galaxy NGC 4454. In December, it will enter the Leo constellation, and its brightness will rapidly drop to magnitude 14. And then, it will depart our solar system forever. On March 16, 2026, it will pass Jupiter at a distance of approximately 54 million kilometers, a farewell tour. And then it will return to interstellar space, back to where it came from. Whether 3I Atlas is a 7-billion-year-old ancient cosmic garbage collector or something else entirely, it will remain one of the greatest mysteries in the history of science. This epic debate between Dr. Michio Kaku and Dr. Avi Loeb also shows how science should work. Different hypotheses, solid evidence, open debate, and calls for transparency from NASA. One thing is certain, in the coming weeks and months, 3I Atlas will reveal more secrets. Telescopes are locked onto it, scientists are analyzing the data, and the world waits with bated breath. December 19th is approaching. When you look up at the sky that night, somewhere out there, 270 million kilometers away, a mysterious visitor will be completing the final leg of a 7-billion-year journey, and maybe Dr. Loeb is right. Perhaps Dr. Kaku is right. Or perhaps the truth is something neither of them could have imagined. All we know is this. 3I Atlas is a living testament to the power of human curiosity and scientific discovery, And this story isn't over yet. Keep your eyes on the sky, because our interstellar visitor may not have revealed all its surprises yet.